Hi traders, good evening. My name is Raymond C. I'm a member of 5 Talent Traders Club. I joined the club January this year, 2020, and then since then it has been awesome because in the past I was a struggling trader, but now I can trade relaxing. Actually, 5TT Club is a club to be with, and then we have a very good mentor in the person of Mr. Chima, and he has many things up there to answer your questions, to give you directions, to encourage you to become a profitable trader. And there are great tools in the system which are free for you to understand the market movement. During my days as a learner, I was so much in love with the ERZN. That has been one of my great indicator because it really moved me in understanding what price action is all about. Yes, and I will advise for everyone who cares to understand, for everyone who cares to know, for everyone who is interested in this big oceanic market, to join the club, because above many benefits, one thing you are going to enjoy in the club is that it's an open field for making new traders, not just new traders by words, but actions traders. So we are going to meet a lot of challenges. We are going to meet a lot of folks in the group who will be of a help for you, and then you begin to scale high before you know it. So the club is where to belong, and then you won't regret it. Yes, joining 5TT Club. Thank you. I'm very welcome.